Good day, folks. Brent Barnett here with Vancouver Yacht Sales by United City Yachts, Canada's premier yacht sales network. Here today shooting our latest listing. This is a beautiful 1994 Bayliner 4587, 45-foot boat. It's in great shape. This owner has owned this boat for 7+ years now and has done many upgrades to the boat. It does have solar panels on it, has a water maker on it. Much of the upholstery's been redone. It's got a new fridge on her. Lots of great stuff to see on this boat. It's got powered by diesel Hinos, and it has a generator as well. So folks, let's take you aboard and have a look at this beauty.
I see the morning light breaking through the darkness. I see a new light coming from the distance, and I feel emotion deep inside. And I will get to where I'm going, but I need a little help. I need a little help. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep me on the road. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep me on the road. I open up my world to new beginnings, and I reach out my hands to pull you closer, to pull you closer. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep me on the road. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep me on the road. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep me on the road. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep me on the road. Holding on, yeah. I need your love to keep. I need your love to keep. I need your love to keep. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep. I need your love to keep. I need your love to keep. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep me on the road. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep me on the road. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep me on the road. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep me on the road. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep me on the road. I need your love to keep me moving. I need your love to keep me on the road. I need your love to keep me moving.
Well, folks, hope you enjoyed that video. This is a sure nice boat, I tell ya. If you want to have a showing, please contact me at 236-688-6828. You can email me at brent@vancouveryachtsales.com, or check out our listing on www.vancouveryachtsales.com. I'll have all the specifications of this boat. I'll have static pictures as well as a bunch of 360 pictures. The 360 pictures allow you to zoom in, zoom out in every pocket of this boat. She's a beaut. She won't last long. She's moored out here in Ladner, British Columbia. Thanks for watching.